Y'all, I'm looking like a stained up queen today. Okay. Hi beauties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Y'all, don't mind me. I look like a clown today, okay? That purple was like, girl, you are going to be stained on the lips and the eyeballs today, okay? But anyways, I'm so freaking excited because today is going to be a little bit of a different video. As you can tell, there is something new in the background here, and I've hinted at this for a while on my Instagram. Like, I've told y'all about it if you follow me on Instagram. But this dresser right here is super old. It was actually my dresser growing up, but it was my grandmother's before it was mine. And my teenage ass decided to take a bunch of a bunch of magazine clippings and Mod Podge them all over my grandmother's dresser. Somebody should have told her fucking no. That's all I have to say. Somebody should have told her fucking no. Anyways, today we are going to begin the process. Well, I'll probably do the whole process in this video. This video will probably be multiple days. I've never done a video quite like this, so it'll be interesting. Hopefully my editing isn't bad and like it isn't all choppy. But anyways, let me stop rambling. I'm so excited because today we're going to start working on this bad boy. Well, I kind of already started working on it. I couldn't help myself, okay? I jumped the gun a little bit, okay? But I couldn't help myself. I started scraping some of this off. I was really surprised at how easy some of this came off of this thing, but it has been Mod Podged for like probably 10 plus years now, and it's just magazine stuff. So should I be that surprised? Probably not. But this bad boy, once it is done and over with, I'm going to be taking out this Alex 9 drawer finally that's been falling apart on me for a while now. And this baby's gonna be behind me from now on, and it's gonna hold so much of my freaking makeup. This was our dresser in our bedroom that had me and my boyfriend's clothes in it. And y'all, our clothes were overflowing. We needed some more drawers. So we finally found a new dresser for the bedroom, and this baby is finally gonna be in here, and I'm so excited. Like, so freaking excited to see what this baby is gonna look like when it's completely done. And I'm also excited to see how much makeup it holds. My hoarding ass. I'm so excited. Before we dive into this video though, and you haven't already, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, baby. Also, if you haven't already and you like seeing little tutorials, reviews, makeup, good things like that, you can head over to my Instagram and TikTok now. And I actually do have a giveaway going on Instagram, so check it out, baby. I'm gonna try not to ramble too much freaking longer because I am so ready to get to work on this. I've been procrastinating it all freaking week, y'all. I just need to get it done. Like, I want to have it done by the end of next week, which is like Thanksgiving week, because I really want to do a video of maybe like organizing all my makeup into the drawers. I feel like that'll be fun. Without further ado, baby, let's go ahead and get into redoing this beautiful dresser. She's been in my life for such a long time, and she was my grandma's, so like nostalgia, baby. I hope it is truly Grammy approved once we get done with her, okay? So I am gonna tell y'all right off the bat, I didn't realize how much space this baby would take up. It definitely takes up a little bit more space than the Alex 9 drawers, but I will say it's a little bit skinnier than the Alex 9 drawers, and I don't really care how much space it takes up, because if it's gonna hold most of my makeup, you know what I mean? Like, that's all I really need it for. That's what I need in here is storage. Don't mind my makeup room. She is a hot mess right now because of like this, and yeah, it's been a hot mess. Anyways, this is how much space we're pretty much working with between the desk and the dresser. And honestly, I'm not mad at it. I still have space to like roll around, spin around. And honestly, if I'm doing my makeup and I need something out of here, all I really have to do is turn my chair around and like grab it. So yeah, baby. First things first was like trying to scrape as much of all the little pieces that were already like coming up and stuff like that. So I pretty much got a lot of the big pieces up on the top that I could, and on the drawers. I haven't even done this side yet because this side is Mod Podged as well. But what we're gonna start working on first is just sanding this baby, because I know it's gonna take some time. It's going to take some time, and then I want to go to either Lowe's or Home Depot and pick out some paint. I think I'm going to do gray, maybe gray and white, like a white trim with gray drawers and stuff like that. I'm not sure. And I also have to find some new handles. I'm probably going to just repurpose these and like spray paint them white or something like that, or maybe silver. But I definitely need some new knobs because, as you can tell, me and my boyfriend, we did a job on on that baby. Yes, we did. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to drag this thing on the front porch so that we can start sanding her down. This is gonna be, honestly, the longest part of this whole entire process is sanding this bitch. Like, I want to punch 13-year-old Sarah in the face right now for Mod Podging this damn dresser. Y'all, I was just about to move this dresser and I opened this up and I have all my I forgot that I had put all my lashes in here because I wanted to see how they fit. And they fit perfectly, but I'm gonna have to put those back in here so we can get the sanding done and it doesn't get all over my pretty lashes, okay? Not the Ayani. Okay, I have her gorgeous self on the front porch. Y'all, this was definitely in my One Direction era, my Starbucks era, my Liam Hemsworth era. Okay. There is literally pictures of One Direction all over this thing. Well, there was pictures of them all over this thing, and I still keep finding like little One Direction things everywhere. Jeez, she was a fan. Right now I'm currently waiting for my boyfriend to get home with the sandpaper for this thing right here so that I can get to sanding. I'm hoping to get a good bit of sanding done before it gets dark out tonight. Right now though, while I'm waiting, I'm just trying to scrape a little bit more off this thing. Y'all, I wish I was filming. A minute ago I just got like a whole entire strip. Oh, it was satisfying, y'all. It was satisfying because none of this stuff is coming up in one piece, let me tell you. And you guys, don't worry about the mess. I'm gonna try to clean it up as well as possible, and if anything, I'll just use it as compost for my gorgeous little plants right here and my roses down there. Oh my gosh.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
We made good progress on the dresser, but now it's starting to rain and I broke the good sander, so now I have to go get a new piece for the good sander. So, to be continued, we will be back to this. Hey y'all, so we're currently in my living room and it's literally been months since I've filmed this video. Actual months. I wanted to have this done in 1 month, just to remind you. The dresser, yeah, I wanted to have that done in 1 month. Bitch, it is 2023 now. Bitch. No, but honestly, I've just been procrastinating on this dresser and I kind of like really underestimated how much it was gonna take to really get this thing done. But she's almost done. She's almost ready to be painted. I still have to go to Lowe's and pick out handles, but we did pick out already some paint. Hopefully this is enough paint right here. I got this big can is a gray paint and then the little can is just a white paint because I plan on doing most of it gray with just a little bit of white trim. Tequila's up here right now. She's been using the dresser as like her little shelf. She loves it up here. She just loves to like flop around on the dresser. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, big yawn. But here is what the dresser is looking like. As you could tell, we got a lot done. My boyfriend went ahead and scraped all the paint off of this one. And I think we might go ahead and do that on top of all the drawers if possible, because this is like a really good smooth surface to work with. But anyways, I think today I'm just going to work on scraping a little bit more of the drawers. And hopefully this weekend I can get to painting and we can go pick out some little knobs for the dresser. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with the knobs yet. So over here on my new little dining room table that my boyfriend got for me, this is like the sander. This is the one that I broke is over here. I still haven't even got a new piece for it. And then this is the other sander. It doesn't work that great. And I've just been taking these like little pads by themselves and basically just sanding it without the machine because
I honestly just find it easier, and you can get into the little nooks and crannies easier. And then we did buy a pack of chisels. Y'all saw that I was using like a paint scraper in the beginning, but we did end up buying like a pack of different size chisels. So these have been really, really nice to scrape everything off with. My babies are ready for their treat, so I'm gonna go ahead and give my dogs a treat, and then let's get to working on the dresser. Okay, y'all, I'm basically just gonna try to take a drawer out of here and start getting to work. I honestly don't even think I can get this drawer out with my nails. Yeah, we got it. But if y'all seriously needed any other examples of how much I'm a procrastinator, here's the biggest one right here. Like, I think I started this back maybe October, maybe September. I'm not sure. I started this at least 2 or 3 months ago, at least, and we're still not done. But we both have busy freaking lives. We both have other shit to do. We don't want to be sitting here working on a dresser like all the freaking time. But I'm determined. I'm bound and determined to at least have it halfway done by this weekend, because I'm ready to start like putting my makeup in it. My makeup room has been like hectic ever since I started this dresser project, just because I've gotten so much new makeup, and then I've been also decluttering things so that I can fit everything perfectly. I mean, I think I'm gonna have plenty of freaking room, but like, I just want to make sure that I'm getting rid of all the stuff that I'm not going to be using or needing or that's old. It made more sense to me to declutter some of the makeup that I wasn't wanting or like was expired and stuff before I went and like organized it all in these drawers, you know? There ain't no point in that. And then going back through them, like once I get these drawers done, I want them to be done and organized. You know what I mean? Hey, you two be nice to each other. Here my cat's being rude. I also kind of like already mapped out what I wanted in the drawers as well. Like I did it like a little, what's it called? Like a little blueprint of how I wanted things mapped out in the drawers. I have it in a notebook somewhere around here, but your girl's ready. She knows what she wants, but she's just got to get it the fuck done.
Artlist.io.
Okay, I was just gonna try to get like all the magazine clippings just finished scraped off of here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and scrape off that first layer of paint, like this drawer up here, just because I feel like it's so much smoother. It's gonna be easier to paint on. Okay, beauties, it is another day of working on this dresser. Today I think I'm actually gonna finally start painting at least a couple of the drawers. One of them is completely ready to go, and I do have color contacts in today because I ran out of my regular contacts. I gotta order me some. But this is the one drawer that is ready to go. Sorry, my fingers look so nasty. This is what I've been working on all weekend while my boyfriend was working on the hot water heater. Thank God we have hot water again. But I've basically just been scraping my life away. I got this whole entire side done yesterday, so it looks pretty good. This week I'm just going to be working on trying to get some more of these little tiny details done and starting to paint it. Now, as you could tell, this bottom drawer is pretty flimsy, and we're going to be holding makeup in there, so I definitely need it to be a little bit more sturdy. So me and my boyfriend are going to come up with an idea of how to make these bottoms a little bit more sturdy. But other than that, let's get to painting. Okay, I just put a little sheet down on the ground so we don't get no paint on my floors. You know, I am a messy painter, so we definitely need a little sheet on. And I'm probably gonna have to move y'all down a little bit so you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm gonna be starting with the gray paint. I want the drawers to be all gray, and the whole entire dresser is gonna be all gray except for where the blue trim is. I want to paint that white. Well, I wanted it to be a little bit of a darker gray, but I guess we got more of a light gray. I thought I picked out more of a darker one, but I guess not. But I'm not gonna go buy any other paint, so this one's gonna have to work.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, I don't know if y'all could tell on camera, but it does look like it's drying darker than it was in the can, so that's giving me a little bit of hope. Hallelujah. Okay, beauties, I have 2 drawers painted. I'll probably do a second coat on this one for sure. I've already done a second coat on that one. I got the side painted, and yeah, I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm still got to clean up a few things off of these drawers before I'm ready to paint them. And then also this part right here, it's going to be a little bit difficult to get all the rest of this stuff off right in here, especially in this little like area right there, but I'm gonna try my best to get as much of this off before I actually paint that part. Beauties, we have finally made it to the day for the final freaking reveal, girlfriends and boyfriends and everybody in between. Do you know how long we've been waiting for this? Or at least I have. Forever, it feels like. Now, I do feel like I cheated y'all a little bit because I was not able to find any handles that I actually liked for this dresser yet. I'm actually going to order some probably today off of Amazon because I heard Amazon has a better variety. And you don't have to buy them like singly. They have ones that are in packs. And let me tell you, it gets expensive when you're buying those handles for the drawers. It gets expensive when you're buying them separately. I went to 2 different stores and I did not find anything that I liked. So I am hoping to find some like white antique-ish looking ones just because I like the antique feel and it is kind of an antique dresser. So I want to keep it that vibe. You know what I mean? Are y'all ready to see her in all of her glory? In 3, 2, 1. Boom, baby. Can you believe that this dresser was once Mod Podge with magazines all over it? Because I cannot. It almost looks brand new besides like some of the nicks and stuff like that in it. It almost looks brand new. You cannot tell me it doesn't. Yeah! I'm so excited to finally have this set up in my makeup room. I set it up like this instead of pushed back against this wall just because I feel like it still gave me a lot of space in here to work with, you know what I mean? So I'm so freaking excited, y'all. And I was gonna make videos actually showing y'all how I organize my makeup into this, but I kind of already jumped the gun. Let me see if I can open this. Yeah, I already jumped the gun. I already put all the makeup that I wanted to in these drawers. This is like my last drawer. This is all of my lashes, and yeah, I'm so freaking excited, y'all. Like I said, I still need to get handles, so I'm trying not to open the drawers as much. Right now, it's kind of hard for me because I really have been trying to get back into makeup after my little rut I just had, but I'm trying not to mess up the drawers as much as possible because I want the paint to still look good. I could probably do another coat on the top as well as the side right here, but I might go ahead and just do that because I do have some leftover paint whenever I do put the handles on. Y'all, this was such a freaking like tasking project, or is that how you say it? I don't know. It was definitely a freaking project. Y'all, I was way in over my head. I literally thought that this was gonna take me a week max, and honestly, if I worked on it like non-stop every single day, it probably would have taken me at least 2 to 3 weeks. But y'all, I underestimated the amount of magazine clippings and how hard it was going to be to take it off. I thought it was going to be so easy to scrape off. No, y'all. We had to sand, scrape, and it was a lot. And a huge thank you to my boyfriend for helping me with this project because there's no way I would have got even this far with it at this point if I didn't have his help. Like, I would still be back like where we started at because I would have been just stressed out. I still have a couple of drawers in here that are not fully organized, so if y'all want to see me organize those in a video, then please let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely do that because that is some more content. I mean, I feel like I do a lot of the same things on here, so I am trying to switch it up a little bit this year. But other than that, if you beauties did enjoy this video and you want to let me know, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and leave me, is there a dresser emoji? If there's a dresser emoji, leave me a dresser emoji in the comments below. If not, pink heart baby, because that's my go-to. Seriously, y'all, thank you so much for being here on this little journey with me and throughout my whole entire makeup journey, honestly, because I wouldn't be where I'm at today. I wouldn't be who I am today, and I just love you guys so freaking much. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling because today I'm gonna try to get like double down on some content and get some shit done. So I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.